Morning, my dear friends. Today we will discuss on Power BI download, installation, and we will talk about the products offered by Power BI. So, in our previous shot, we already discussed what is Power BI. We understood that is a business analytics tool by Microsoft that helps organizations turn raw data into meaningful insights. It allows users to connect data from multiple sources like Excel, databases, and cloud platforms. Power BI also support real-time monitoring, AI-driven insight, and easy sharing across teams through webs and mobile apps. With features like JAX, Power Query, and strong security controls, Power BI enables faster decision making and data-driven strategies. So today we are going to discuss on the Power BI products. So you see here, if we see in Google, what are the different products offered by Power BI? We see Power BI Desktop that is absolutely free, and you see the Power BI service that is used for cloud sharing and collaboration with a fee, pro and premium using license. So what we understand here is that the Power BI desktop is absolutely free. And if we are able to install the Power BI desktop, that is enough for training, enough for our practice and learning. We can do number of data cleaning, visualization, and build number of reports with free license of Power BI. But if we need, to share the reports with the team members or, use some AI features, then maybe we need to go to the licensed versions of Power BI, and that is Power BI Pro. So, guys, so my friends, let us first understand how to download Power BI desktop. So you need to go to Google, and you just need to type in the Google Power BI desktop download. So you get the first link, and that is absolutely free from Microsoft. You have to click on this link. You see, you come to this page, Power BI desktop, and you can easily download it from the Microsoft site. You just have to click on download. You get all the instructions how to download it. You will see something site like this, Microsoft Power BI desktop, and it is the language selected English. You have multiple languages, whichever is required for you, and click on download. And it's a simple download. You just need to follow the instructions, click on next, and download the Power BI. You have system requirements. It is very easy. It goes through smoothly through Windows 10, 11, and any RAM approx to 8 GB is very, very good for Power BI. So once you have the installation done, then you can just open your Power BI from your start, and you can just enter here Power BI. You'll get your software here. Just click on this, and you will see your Power BI starts loading up. So, friends, it's on you. You want to, download the free version, or you want to use the pro version. So once you are here, you just need to click on the blank report, and your fresh Power BI page opens up. So you are free to, to explore here. You have all the three functions of Power BI here. If you see, the last time we talked about this is the report view, and here you have the table view, and here you have the model view. So these are the three views in Power BI that is mostly used. The model view is for the making the relationships between the tables across tables. Then you have the table view where we import the data and through files, through servers, through SQL, and we do lots of data cleaning and manipulation activities in the table view. Then you have the reports view where we, create our visualizations. And if you come down, you have page one, page two, page three. These are the, just like Excel, you can call it as sheets. You can create n number of your reports. And then you have something called as DAX. which we will discuss, later point of time that helps you to write some functions at the row level. And if you go up in your the Power BI, you see something like File, Home, Insert, Modeling, View, Optimize, and Help. And if you click on File, you have different features like Open, Save As, Share, Import, Export. You can click on Open. You can open your any files and load into your dashboard here into for your data work. You can import from Excel. You see, you have if you have some data in your Excel, you can import the data from Excel. You can select here import data from SQL Server, but you should have connectivity to a SQL database. You can directly paste data into a blank table. You can create your own file here, or you can use the simple sample data. Then if let me explain you this even as well in this tutorial. If you want to get data, you can get data by Excel, Power Excel workbook. You have SQL Server, you have text, you have web, you have lots of options. Then you have more. You can select on more. Then you will find lots of databases through where you can bring your data into the Power BI for your data manipulation, data visualization, and data cleaning work. So you have lots of features, and this is very interesting tool, and it's a very interesting tool. You will really like and enjoy, working in this tool. You have lots of features like insert. You can new one. This is for modeling. This is for view, and this is you can optimize it. So lots of things to play here, guys. And in our next training session, what I will do is that I'll explain you the settings. We'll talk about the basic settings which needs to be done in your Power BI to make it functional. So let me show you. This goes as well here, options and settings. So in the next call, we will discuss on options and data source settings. So guys, stay tuned to my Power BI's tutorial sessions. This will be very helpful for you to build your career into data analytics and data science. And this is very great tool for creating visualization. So thanks a lot for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel. The new video is coming soon, guys. Take care. Have a great day ahead.